Hello and welcome to Meadow Brown Bakery. In this video I'll be showing you how to make some chocolate scotch eggs. You start off by baking your brownies, and then when they're ready and cool down, break them into pieces. Just use your hands to crumble them together, and then add in some buttercream and then mix this mixture together. When it's all mixed in like this, get a chocolate egg and then start putting your brownie mixture on the outside. So just get some of the mixture and then press it around the egg until all the egg is covered. When the egg is covered, dip it into these crushed biscuits and just coat the outside, and then put this on a plate and leave to set. You can also put them in the fridge and leave them to set completely, and then you can cut and you can see the gooey inside flows out just like an egg, and it's nice and delicious. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.